Good day friends, in this video I'll show you how to use Rainmeter on Windows 11. So it's a really cool customization app. So just type in Rainmeter. There you go. And let us just go ahead into the website and of course install it. So we have the latest version, which is right over here. Press on download. Alright, just save it on your PC and then let us install it now. Okay, and then let us now install it. You can choose portable or standard. I'll just use standard. 64-bit and run it. Alright, so as you can see, it now already added some stats on my computer. For example, as you can see, we have this little widget with, the date, time, and some resource usage in here, which is pretty cool. Okay, and in here, how do I close this? I'm not sure how to close this window. So you just, from your tray, bring up this menu. As you can see, we can manage our Rainmeter. And in order to start using it, as you can see, we have this skins tab, and we have this Illustro, and these are pretty much our widgets and other customization things. So for example, as you can see, we have the different tabs in here. So say we have the clock, you make it bigger. And as you can see, we can also disable this clock if you wish. So just press on unload, and as you can see, clock is now turned off. Also, we have the network, for example, you can just turn it off as well. You can also turn on the network if you wish. You can see this is going to be the widget for that. Also, we have some system thingies. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, system is just, the system resources on the screen. Oh, welcome message, there you go. This is how you turn it off. There you go, bingo, now it's clean. And pretty much now, if you wish to add something else, you will of course need to go ahead and download some of the skins or maybe the widgets that you wish to install, and then they will appear. You can just load them and they will appear on your desktop. So you just press on load like this, and as you can see, something just now loads into the desktop. So let me just turn off the disk. There you go, just unload it, and there you go, it's much cleaner now. And if you wish to get skins, for example, you go to Rainmeter Hub, there you go. And as you can see, we can get the Rainmeter skins and themes for download. So we have multiple things here. And for example, let us click on this. Oh, just the system monitoring stuff. So let us install, for example, let me just choose something. So let us install this clock, elegant clock. So you just download the skin, press on download. Okay, download it just like this. And now as you can see, we have this little file that has an extension RMS skin. Alright, so now all you want to do is just double click. And as you can see, now we have this elegant clock, just install it. Like that. Now go back into Rainmeter and go to elegant clock and make sure to load both of these things right here. There you go. And now, as you can see, we have this elegant clock. I can't drag it though, it's just on the desktop. And you can do this with any other extension or widget or whatever you wish. So just download this extension file, run it, install it, and enable it in here, and then it will appear on your desktop. That's it, guys. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.